Alright guys, how's it going? Motor Dragon here again. This is going to be a bit weird. I'm actually using a gimbal. I bought one so I can do like, you know, cool shit like this. It's not shaking. I don't think it's a very good gimbal, to be honest. I bought it so I could do cool stuff. I can do cool stuff like that, nice slow-mo, nice steady little bits. But yeah, actually I also have the new screen on, so if you follow me on Instagram, so I'm still trying to get used to this turning shit. If you follow me on Instagram, you know I got a new screen, so here it is. I'm also out, like, I'm out where I do my reviews, and no, not my reviews, but all my like cinematic stuff for the bike and all. It's nice and quiet, dead end road. So I'm going to talk about the giveaway now. So now that I have nearly 990 subscribers, I'm going to do the giveaway video, tell you all the details and all. Get some strange looks from people. This is a bit weird seeing someone that's standing here, but they probably don't know what it is. How you enter the giveaway. So there is a Google form doc that I created that's in the description. You go ahead and click on that. I will need your email address and I need your YouTube username. The YouTube username, make sure that's the account that's subscribed to me, and make sure the email you give me is your normal email address, just so I can contact you, because basically I'm going to contact the winner through your email. It's a lot easier. Also, all your emails will be deleted. I'm not going to use them for anything else other than contact the winner. I'll do a video, and if you don't win, you don't win. Just that's the easiest way to do it, especially with this whole GDPR stuff. I need to be careful, so that's the easiest way to do it. Be completely deleted. I won't have it anywhere. And then basically you just have to tell me how long you subscribe to me. There's 3 little options that you can click on the screen, and just click the most appropriate one. Make sure you are telling the truth, because basically I'm gonna take all the stuff, put it all into a Word doc, or not a Word doc, into an Excel, and I'm gonna pull the winner at random. That way, no generator, so there's gonna be no like trickery, and I'll show you the macro I'll be using. Like, it's gonna be an easy one. It's not gonna be hard. There's gonna be no trickery. But I'm also, because I'm not going to get like too many entries, I'm going to manually check if you guys are really subscribed to me for the amount of time that you said, just to make it completely fair, and so I can be as transparent, that's the way I'm going to do it. There's also 2 prizes. So there's going to be the main prize of the €50 voucher for Sports Direct, or Sports Direct, that's a different site, Sports Bike Shop, and then also Revzilla as well if you're in the States, because that makes more sense. And then you'll also get 2 Motor Dragon stickers. But if you're subscribed to me less than 6 months, just to make it completely fair for everyone, you will only be entered into a separate draw for 2 Motor Dragon stickers. As I said, I want to do this as fair as possible, but I also want to make it as fair as possible to my main subscribers. I just think that's fair. And you know, if you don't like it, don't enter, that's fine. As I said, all the form and everything's in the description. But yeah guys, look, I'm going to leave that video here. Let me know what you guys think. Good luck, and again, thank you very much. I'm going to do the draw when I hit 1,000 subscribers. So at the moment I have like 990 or 980 something, whatever it is, and then I'll do the draw when we get to 1,000. So the sooner I get to 1,000, the sooner you guys get to win, see who wins. But look guys, like, that's a video. I hope all of you enjoyed. Like, comment and subscribe. I'll talk to you on the next video.